So let's look at this example that says the program below is given in form of a pseudocode. Start, enter length, if length. So this is a program, a pseudocode. So this is how a pseudocode looks. And it says draw a corresponding flow chart for this pseudocode. Now they are saying start. So start, you know, the circle that is the one that we need to use here. So we're going to say start. We write start inside. Write start. Then the second one says enter length. So under enter, we're going to use a parallelogram. So use a parallelogram. Says enter length. Sorry. Let me just say enter L as length. And they're saying if length is less than 0, then, so if is always a decision, so we are going to carry up with a decision box, which is a diamond. Says if length is less than 0, then remember I said the suggestion box has two sides. It has got the yes side and the no side. Well, now when they say then, they mean yes. So after then, they are saying display error message, length must be positive. So we are going to say display, remember, is a parallelogram. It's a parallelogram. So say display error message. So right here, display error message. Then in inverted commas, brackets, saying length must be positive. See? Else means the other suggestion, which is the no. Else they are saying enter height. Enter height. So else we enter height. Parallelogram. So we enter height. After entering height, they are saying if height is less than 0, if is a suggestion, so we have another suggestion. We have another suggestion saying if height is less than 0, if it's yes, if it's no. So if it's yes, they are saying then display error message. So you know what to use here under display error message. So that will be our parallelogram. So we are going to say display error message. Then we say height must be positive. Else, which means no, or the other suggestion, volume equal to this. Now whenever you see an equal sign, something of processing, so use a rectangle. So here we are going to use a rectangle. Now here we need to be very clear, very careful. So we are saying volume is equal to 1/3. Now 1/3 is not understood by a computer. We are going to put 1/3. This is a symbol for division. So say 1/3. This is star is multiplication. So we're going to say star length then length to the power 3. This is what it means. Length to the power 3. It means 1 like that. L times height. So this is the length you're talking about. So we'll write the same the way it is to the power 3. Then it's what? Let me just increase there. It's the height. So this is a rectangle for processing. Then they are saying end if this does not have a shape. They're just telling you to end, then you display you display volume, then you stop. So from here, I'll finish it up from the other side. Okay. So we end, then we stop. So let me finish up from it from the other side. So you are going to have an arrow coming down. Remember they're saying display. So we are going to display. So I'll say display volume. Then they're saying stop. So we stop now. So this is how you write a pseudocode.